With repair costs that can climb past $2,000 for common suspension fixes, electrical failure rates that consistently rank above the segment average, and resale prices that drop faster than many competing luxury SUVs, the Land Rover Discovery is one of those vehicles that sparks equal parts excitement and hesitation. Yet despite all the cautionary numbers, thousands of buyers are still drawn to it every year because there's something undeniably appealing about its blend of luxury, presence, and go-anywhere confidence. If you've recently found yourself eyeing a used Discovery, you're definitely not alone, but it's the kind of SUV you need to understand properly before making any decision. To be fair, the Discovery has a lot going for it. Even older models feel premium the moment you sit inside. There's a level of comfort that just feels right, with soft leather, big windows, and a high driving position that makes you feel in control of the road. People who buy Discoveries often fall in love with how smooth and composed the SUV feels, especially on long trips. It's the kind of vehicle you can spend hours in without feeling stiff or drained. And because the Discovery has always been built with capability in mind, you're getting an SUV that doesn't panic the moment the road turns rough. Whether it's mud, bad pavement, steep trails, or rainy rural roads, the Discovery usually handles it without breaking a sweat. Even if you never go off-road, knowing you can gives the SUV a certain confidence you feel every time you drive it. Another area where the Discovery shines is towing. If you're the type who moves trailers, boats, or heavy equipment around, a well-maintained Discovery can feel like a reliable work partner. The stronger engines, especially the V6 and diesel versions, pull loads with ease. For anyone who needs a comfortable daily driver that can also handle weekend tasks, this strength is a major selling point. But as much as the Discovery has genuine strengths, there's one topic that always comes up, and it's the one that scares off a lot of buyers. I'm talking about reliability. The Discovery has never been known as a low-maintenance SUV. Models like the Discovery 3 and Discovery 4 are especially famous for having a few trouble spots as they age. Things like air suspension issues, electrical glitches, coolant leaks, and timing chain concerns are all part of the stories owners tell. Repairs aren't always small, and because parts and labor tend to be pricier than mainstream SUVs, the costs can add up. The newer Discovery 5, introduced in 2017, improved in some areas but brought its own set of quirks, especially in the early production years. Modern Land Rovers are filled with advanced technology, and while that tech is amazing when it works, it can be expensive and frustrating when it doesn't. But it's important to say this clearly. Not every Discovery turns into a headache. Plenty of owners enjoy theirs for years, with nothing more than the usual maintenance. Much of the trouble comes from vehicles that were neglected or serviced irregularly, and because these SUVs aren't cheap to maintain, some previous owners cut corners. When that happens, the next owner ends up paying the price, literally. So if you're considering one, you should understand the ownership side before you get too excited about the price. On the used market, Discoveries can sometimes look like incredible deals, especially compared to rivals from Toyota or Lexus. It's not unusual to see a well-equipped Discovery selling for the same money as a bare-bones mainstream SUV, which makes the temptation very real. You might come across a model with leather seats, adaptive suspension, a panoramic roof, and advanced off-road systems for $20,000 to $30,000 depending on the year and mileage. On the surface, it feels like you're getting a bargain. But while the purchase price might be reasonable, the running costs quickly remind you that this is still a luxury vehicle with luxury vehicle needs. Routine servicing from simple oil changes to basic inspections can cost anywhere between $300 and $600 at many shops, and that number climbs higher at a dealership. Replacement parts also lean toward the expensive side. Common suspension repairs can easily land between $1,200 and $2,000, while brake jobs often run $600 to $900 depending on whether you're replacing rotors, pads, or both. Even things you'd expect to be straightforward, like sensors and electronic modules, can add up fast because parts alone sometimes cost several $100s before labor comes into play. As these SUVs age, especially once they cross the 80,000 to 100,000 mile mark, bigger repairs may show up sooner than you'd like. This doesn't mean you should avoid the Discovery altogether, it just means you should be realistic about what owning one feels like. Think of the Discovery as the friend who's fun, stylish, and capable, but occasionally needs extra attention. If you're okay with the idea that things may come up from time to time, you'll likely find it rewarding. But if you want the kind of SUV where you do nothing but change the oil and drive for 10 years, the Discovery probably isn't going to make you happy. When it comes to choosing the right model, many buyers see the Discovery 4, especially from 2014 to 2016, as the sweet spot. These models blend the ruggedness of earlier generations with modern comfort. The V6 engine tends to be more dependable than the older V8s, and the boxy design has aged extremely well. For the more modern Discovery 5, the safer years generally start around 2019, when Land Rover had ironed out many of the early electrical and software issues. These newer models drive smoother, offer better fuel efficiency, and still deliver strong capability. No matter which model you consider, one rule stands above all. The car's service history matters more than anything. A Discovery with complete, consistent maintenance records is always a better bet than a cheaper one whose history isn't clear. These SUVs don't like being ignored, and the difference between a well-maintained Discovery and a neglected one can be thousands of dollars down the road. If you decide to move forward, it's wise to get the vehicle inspected by a shop that actually specializes in Land Rovers. Not just any mechanic, someone who knows the common failure points and can spot issues before you buy. This extra step can save you huge headaches later. So, should you buy a used Land Rover Discovery? The answer isn't a simple yes or no. If you want comfort, capability, style, and an SUV that feels like an event every time you drive it, the Discovery delivers all of that and more. It's a genuinely enjoyable vehicle with a personality you won't find in many competitors. But if you want absolute reliability, low running costs, and a worry-free ownership experience, this may not be the SUV you're looking for. So there you have it. The Discovery is a great choice for the buyer who appreciates what it does well and accepts its quirks. If you choose a well-maintained example and budget realistically for upkeep, a used Land Rover Discovery can be a deeply satisfying SUV. But if peace of mind matters more than anything else, you may want something more predictable. So really, it comes down to whether you're drawn to the adventure and whether you're ready for the responsibility that comes with it. If you found the video useful, be sure to smash the like button to support us. Thank you.